Well, this may be just what you've been waiting for. We've got a cold front that's rolling through the area right now that's going to knock the heat and humidity back down. It's going to happen very swiftly this evening. In fact, the camera already shaking a little bit in that breeze as that front rolls through. We're at 86 degrees. The winds are starting to shift, though, west-northwest wind. That's a sign that that cold front's moving through, gusting occasionally to about 31 miles per hour. So as we look forward, our Tuesday right now, it is dry and mild, low humidity that will be continuing Tuesday and into your Wednesday. Currently, we are in the 80s, low to mid 80s, but expect 70s for highs by the time we get into tomorrow afternoon. And the amount of humidity, it is going to be a game changer compared to what we've been feeling over the past 12 to 24 hours. Dew points already starting to drop back into the lower 60s, and we're going to see lower levels of humidity. Much drier air is going to be headed into place, and you're going to feel it that first step out the door tomorrow morning. Go ahead and take that breath of fresh air. It is going to be crisp and cool in the morning, and low humidity continues Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And with this, we're expecting air quality to be quite good across much of the area, so it could be an open windows type of setting over the next couple of days. Getting very close to the last bit of any bit of rainfall. Have a few isolated showers down there toward and just south of Route 224. Heaviest of the rain today was from Wood County, Henry County, right along and into Sandusky and parts of Ottawa County, from Fremont back to Gibsonburg up toward Oak Harbor. These are some areas that saw about 2 to 2.5 inches of rainfall over a very short time earlier this morning. Now, all storm threats are well south and east of us. Those are a little bit closer to the Ohio River, where severe thunderstorm watch includes southeastern Ohio and down into parts of West Virginia and Pennsylvania. We don't have any risk of severe weather or storms across the area this evening. I can't show you where we're going to go tonight, though, and look at this. Back into the mid-50s. Could even get a few spots low 50s by tomorrow morning. Across southern Michigan, it will be a cooler, crisp start to the morning. Highs right around the mid-70s. This is late July here, and we are going to be feeling very mild through the afternoon. Into Thursday, low 50s, and could we do it? Upper 40s may be possible in a few areas early Thursday morning before rebounding back into the upper 70s to near 80 degrees. Tonight, mostly clear skies, cooler, less humid, 55 for the overnight low. For our Wednesday, we'll start with that slight chill in the morning. Highs into the afternoon will only reach into the low and mid 70s, and boaters forecast if you're cruising Lake Erie, waves will be a little choppy in the morning Wednesday, 2 to 4 feet. Headed back towards 1 to 3 footers into the afternoon. Extended 10-day forecast. Dry weather Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 70s for Wednesday and Thursday. Back to the low 80s on Friday. We get mid-80s Saturday. Still no rain through Saturday, and likely to be dry Sunday. Right around 90 degrees as we get towards Sunday. And then the chance we get a few scattered showers and storms early next week, Monday into Tuesday. That'll put our highs back into the mid-80s, and those scattered storm threats will come with a milder feel as we get toward the end of July, right around the mid-80s as we go toward the middle of next week.
Pretty dry considering what the rest of the state's been seeing the last 2 days.
It is. So, the rain we got earlier today, some areas did wake up to that. It was beneficial rainfall for our farm fields, but it will be several more days before we get any hint of rain. In fact, that could be early next week at the earliest before we see that chance of rain.
So sounds like we're gonna need that rain when it finally gets here.
This is the time of the year you need rain every about 2 to 3 days just to kind of keep things greened up. Farm fields looking like in good shape, and areas that got the rain certainly will benefit from that today.
Yeah.